Today on Homeschool Flashcards, we will take a box of Crayola crayons and learn the basics of colors. This particular box has 48 crayons, and nothing is more satisfying than opening up a box of brand new crayons. Don't you agree? Every box of crayons, markers, coloring pencils will have something called the 8 basic colors. Every other color is a mixture of different colors to make a particular color. So, the 8 basic colors are red, orange, yellow. Reminds you of the rainbow? Very similar to a rainbow. Next goes green, blue, purple, black, and white. Sometimes you wonder why a box of crayons will have white in it when most of us draw on white paper. But the 3 most basic colors are something we call the primary colors. Can you guess what they are? So, let's take a white sheet of paper and draw 3 circles. The first primary color is yellow. We will take a yellow crayon and loosely color in the circle. This is yellow. The next primary color is red. We will take a red crayon and color in the circle with red. And the third primary color is blue. We will take a blue crayon and color this circle blue. So, remember, the 3 primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. And from these colors, we can create a whole bunch of other colors. Look at this printer ink. This is a color ink cartridge, and it only uses the 3 primary colors to print all of your beautiful colored pictures. Next, we have secondary colors. When you take and mix primary colors, you will get secondary colors. For example, if you mix yellow and red, you will get orange. Orange is a secondary color. If you mix red and blue, you will get purple. Purple is a secondary color. Blue and yellow, when mixed, will give you the color green. And that makes green a secondary color. Next, we have tertiary colors. I know, very fancy term, but when you mix a primary color with a secondary color, you will get a tertiary color. So on this color wheel, if we mix yellow with orange, we will have yellow-orange. Orange and red will make a red-orange. And so forth. So, here I have crayons line up. And let's start from the left side. If we have a secondary color green mixed primary color yellow, we will have a tertiary color of yellow-green. Next, we have a yellow, which is a primary color, and an orange, which is a secondary color, and we will get a tertiary color of yellow-orange. Orange and red will give you a red-orange. Now let's move the blue up here, and blue and green will give a blue-green color, but this particular box does not have a tertiary color of blue-green. Next, let's learn about complementary colors. And this is a fancy way of describing the colors that are opposite on the color wheel. For example, yellow is opposite of purple. These are complementary colors. Red and green are complementary colors. And finally, blue and orange are complementary colors. Finally, let's talk about tints and shades of a color. A tint is a mixture of a color with white or lighter color to make it lighter. So, if we have a primary color of red, all of the colors that have white added to red will be a tint. Now, shade is a mixture of a color with black or darker to make it darker. Let us use a red crayon. All of the lighter colors, called the tints, will be placed to the left of the primary color red. All shades of red will be placed to the right. Anything darker than red is a shade of red. You get it? Let's do the same thing for the color orange. Orange is a secondary color, and all tints, or lighter color of orange, are tints, and will be placed to the left of orange. All darker shades of orange are called shades, and we will place them to the right. And we can do the same thing for the color green. Green does have tints and shades of green. We can do the same thing for blue. Now this box of Crayola crayons does have a lot of tints and shades of blue. And we can do the same for purple. And finally, we can even do the same for yellow. Unfortunately, this box of crayons does not have much variety of tints and shades of the color yellow. And a reminder, yellow is a primary color. Thank you for watching. And hopefully, you had fun learning the different terms for the colors in your crayon box. Thank you for watching.